Welcome friends. In this daily Bitcoin technical analysis video, I will do technical analysis and next price target I will definitely tell you in this video. So please watch this video. Complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. In my yesterday's video, I was told you that Bitcoin will break this descending channel. Here you can see Bitcoin break this. I was told you that maybe Bitcoin price can go to hit this zone. Bitcoin price goes down to $33,460 price level, and after that Bitcoin pullbacks, and Bitcoin currently is at $36,261. Now Bitcoin break this descending channel very beautifully. Here you can see, and this is the good sign for the Bitcoin. Let me please calculate the target of this descending triangle. Let me place this. It can easily hit $38,900 if things remains positive. In that case, it can hit $39,000. But for this, it have to break this horizontal resistance, which is at $37,600. Maybe price of the Bitcoin goes down to hit this zone again, which is $34,620. And after hitting this zone, maybe Bitcoin price pull back again and hit this zone. We have to watch this level very, very carefully, $34,500 level. If Bitcoin hold this level, in that case Bitcoin can go to hit this zone, $37,600. And if Bitcoin break this zone, in that case 39,000 will be our second target. You can say that our first target will be $37,600 and our second target will be like this. And if unfortunately Bitcoin break this zone, $34,500, in that case maybe price can go down again $33,300, and maybe in this time Bitcoin can go down to $31,000. But all eyes are on this level, which is $37,600. If Bitcoin break this level, in that case definitely $39,000. If Bitcoin reject this from this zone, in that case it can go down to $34,500, $33,400, and maybe $31,000 this time. We have to focus on these levels, which are very, very important. First level we have to look at $34,500, and second, this support zone $35,500 is now turning as a support zone. If Bitcoin break this support zone, in that case maybe Bitcoin can again hit $34,565. This is turning as a support zone, which is $35,500. If Bitcoin break this towards downside, in that case 34,500, and if Bitcoin break this 34,500 too, in that case $33,400 or maybe $31,000 will be our target. But I am still positive. I think Bitcoin can go up, and maybe after hitting this zone $34,500 again, Bitcoin can move towards upside. Basically the target of the Bitcoin move will be the beginning of this descending channel, which is at $40,500. Bitcoin price have to go to hit this zone again, $40,500. But to do this, Bitcoin must have to break this zone, $37,500, $37,600. If Bitcoin break this strong resistance, in that case $39,000 will be first target maybe, and second target you can say $40,400 or $40,500. But we have to focus on these levels. First level we have to focus is $34,500. If Bitcoin hold this zone, in that case definitely it will go to hit $37,500. And if Bitcoin break this $37,500, in that case $39,000 is the minimum target. And this is the support zone right now, $35,500. If Bitcoin break this support zone, in that case $34,560, you can say 34,500 will be our second support. First support is $35,500 and second support is $34,500. These are two supports, $35,500 and $34,500. These are two major support zones for the Bitcoin. If Bitcoin lose these both support zones, in that case it can go down to 33,000, maybe 31,000 this time. But if Bitcoin hold these two support zones, in that case definitely $37,600 and $39,000 and $40,000 are our targets. Let me please show you the EMA ribbon. In overly candles, Bitcoin break this EMA ribbons towards the upside. This is a very, very good thing for Bitcoin. And now this ribbon will be support zone for the Bitcoin. Let me please show you the VPBR. There is a very strong volume is at $37,800, $38,000 and $37,000, $37,000 again, and in this zone there is a good volume, $35,000, $35,500. Once Bitcoin break this zone, $34,000, in that case there is very less volume, and that means there are very less orders, and in that case maybe Bitcoin can go down rapidly, and maybe it can hit $31,000 again. We have to focus on these two levels. If Bitcoin hold $35,500 and $34,500, in that case Bitcoin will definitely go up. Otherwise, maybe Bitcoin can go down again $33,400 and now this time $31,000. And if Bitcoin hold these zones, in that case Bitcoin definitely hit 37,600 and 39,000, and last target will be $40,500. These are upside targets, and bearish target I was told you that if Bitcoin break these two support zones, in that case our first bearish target will be $33,400 or $33,300, and our second bearish target will be $31,200, or you can say $31,000. This is my technical analysis, friends. If you like this, please subscribe my channel, and please do me favor, hit the like button, and if you are new then please subscribe and hit the bell icon right now. And let me please show you the RSI. Currently RSI is above 50 and it is at 57. Anything above 50 is considered bullish. Now RSI is bullish, and maybe Bitcoin can go up. But if unfortunately RSI goes down below 50, in that case maybe Bitcoin price can go down again. We have to focus, I am telling this, we have to focus $35,500, $34,500. If Bitcoin hold these levels, in that case definitely Bitcoin can hit $37,600, $39,000 and $40,500. Otherwise Bitcoin is ready to hit $33,300, maybe $31,000. Thanks for the watching, and please keep supporting me. Take care.